Today I've got this DualShock 4 from Flipkart for about 5,050 rupees. This is my fourth controller and I'll talk about it later. And let me just tell you how you can spot genuine ones from the fake ones. It came dead out of the box, so I'm recharging it now. As you can see, the orange light will glow and it will glow less frequently as the battery gets filled. Also keep in mind that the orange light in the touch bar will fade away in the sides. It's not consistent, as you can see. Also, genuine controllers does not come with a USB cable and you can spot them by the build quality, and the front of the box does not contain Chinese language. Also, the screws of the genuine controller has these circle marks. You cannot press the top portion of the touchpad on the fake controllers. As you can see, I can press this, so meaning it's a real DualShock 4. Also, when you try to pair the controller, the light should be in this color. If it has any other colors, then it's a fake. So this is what happened with my other controllers. My mother dropped the first one that came with a PlayStation 4, and the second one, the square button stopped working, and the third one that I was using till date. So as you can see, the thumbsticks are loose. I can press up and down a lot in this. Also the right stick, as you can see. And the problem with the left stick is when I try to go forward, the character stops moving and I have to press hard to continue moving forward. To conclude this video, these controllers are not cheap. They cost couple thousand of rupees, and Sony should really step up their game in terms of quality assurance. With that being said, thank you for watching and goodbye for now.